Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Let us know in the comment section, how many of you know what an app is? What do you know about app? What does an app do? You must be using Facebook, WhatsApp, Gmail, Notes, Calendar, Images, Camera and so on in your mobile phones. We call them individually as apps like Facebook app, Gmail app etc. So, now you know what an app is and what it looks like and what it does. Now you can guess somewhat what an app does. Let us explain you a little. Some apps helps to save our time, our space. Some app help us to get information. Some app helps to do various activities. Some apps helps us learn something new. Some apps are there which has made learning or education easy. Some app has made our shopping only easy. Some apps has made food ordering online possible, and now you can yourself think of how there are apps in your mobile phones which are helping you in either way. So, now you've got an idea on what app are doing or what is their work. Are you interested in making an app yourself? Do not worry, we are here providing you a platform where it is possible to make an app yourself. Just go to the website, the link of which is given in the description below. There you will find every detail on how you can start making app. You will get step-by-step video guide inside, so, you need not have to worry about how you are going to build an app. You do not require the knowledge of programming or coding. Also, you do not require any course for building apps. We have made the system very easy for every category of people, and this can be done as part-time or full-time. So, what are you waiting for? Just visit the website and start from there. If you have visited this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification. Share this video so that it will reach the people who are in real need of this system. Remember to subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get instant notification. Also, don't forget to share this video so that it will reach maximum people and they can get the benefit.